Welcome to today's class. We are going to be discussing decomposition reaction or a precipitation reaction. When we talk about a precipitation reaction, it involves the formation of an insoluble product, that is a solid, from mixing two solutions. This reaction is a method for making an insoluble salt. Now, I want to look at the two examples of precipitation reaction below. You discover that we have two reactants and then we also have two products. That is why the reaction is referred to as a double decomposition. Double decomposition because you have two reactants, two products. Okay, now there is something that is peculiar about this reaction. The two reactants are soluble. That is, silver nitrate is soluble, sodium chloride is also soluble. Now, when you combine these two soluble salts, there is going to be a sudden appearance of a solid at the process of the reaction, and that process is known as precipitation. That is why we refer to this particular reaction as a precipitation reaction. Now, the solid that is formed in this reaction, that is the one that is indicated by the downward arrow, and that is silver chloride. Then along with this silver chloride, there is also a formation of sodium nitrate. So you have two solutions reacting together to produce a solution and a precipitate. Now, what does this imply to us? If you have a precipitate and also you have a solution mixed together, both of them can be separated using separation technique, as in simple filtration. When you pour the mixture into the funnel, the sodium nitrate being the soluble component of the mixture, we pass through the filter paper and will be collected as filtrate, and then the silver chloride will be left on the filter paper as residue. Okay, another example we have on the board is the reaction between carbon dioxide and calcium hydroxide. This is the reaction that is used to test for carbon dioxide in the laboratory. When you bubble carbon dioxide through lime water, you are going to get a milky precipitate, or a cloudy appearance will appear in the solution. That is the sudden formation of a solid. So this reaction also makes use of the principle of precipitation reaction or double decomposition reaction. So just before we conclude, I want to take note of these important features of precipitation reaction. Number one, we say that you mix solution, two soluble solid will combine together in order to give you two other products, which one of it is soluble and the other one is insoluble. Number two, I said that you can obtain the insoluble substance from the mixture by carrying out simple filtration. That is, if you pour the mixture into a filtration funnel, the soluble component in this case, which is sodium nitrate or water for the second equation, will pass through the filter paper as filtrate, while the insoluble component, which is silver chloride for the first equation and then calcium carbonate for the second equation, will be left inside the filter paper as residue. So this is all about precipitation reaction. If you have not subscribed, To get notifications for my classes, I will want you to click on the subscribe button so that you will get notification any moment any of my video is being released. Thank you for attending today's class.